Go ahead, take the resistance band and put it on top of the door, right around there, okay? And you want it even on both sides of the door. Go ahead, step up to the door as close as you can get to it. As close as you can get, and line up those feet. Shoulders back and down. Turn your hands so your palms are facing the floor. Elbows tucked in, chest up, shoulders down. Now you want to go down all the way and squeeze your tricep nice and hard. Come up till about 90 degrees where your wrists meet your elbow, and then go back down. Now, you don't want to move your arms back. If you do, this cable could come off the top of the door and you're not going to be happy. It might hit you. So keep your arms forward and the cable will stay. There'll be no problem with it. Breathe in on the way up, blow out on the way down, come down and squeeze that tricep nice and hard. Feet are nice and straight, knees are slightly bent. We're looking good. We're working that tricep really hard in a home. It's beautiful.